Yeah, guys. So,
Hold on.
hold on. The lady has said to hold on. Today we have got something special for you.
वहाँ पे ऑडियो होगा ना सर
Oh,
इसीलिए and then we have to
but it's
clap
okay.
and
It's
start.
BTS. We'll add for editing. Mein.
Where is my voice?
We have a director with us, but the director won't come on camera. Okay.
Dome clap हो गया. 1, 2, 3, go. अरे
Yeah.
no.
Okay,
Together
okay.
we'll do 1, 2, 3.
So guys, आज का वीडियो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था इंट्रो में थोड़ा सा स्पेशल है बिकॉज वी हैव अ स्पेशल गेस्ट सुष्मी. सो सुष्मी और मैं अब ब्रीफ इंट्रो कि हम कैसे मिले. सो वी वर डूइंग वी वर नो ओके सो ब्रीफ इंट्रो कि हम दोनों कैसे मिले. सो वी वर बोथ प्लानिंग टू कम टू इटली एंड सरप्राइजिंगली वी मेट थ्रू अ पर्सन.
That
Yeah, let that
person
be.
be wild.
Yeah, let that person be XYZ, okay? And then she became my friend because we were doing the same course. And surprisingly, जब मुझे visa मिला उससे कुछ दिन बाद she also got visa and we almost came around the same time. And then we became close friends. Yeah, that's it. हमारी कहानी यही तक है. So
It's been nice
yeah,
to
it's,
share it
yeah,
with her.
yeah, it's been really nice. And the thing is that I knew her, okay, but I didn't knew the person Sushmi deep within. Obviously, nobody knows anyone deeply, ठीक है. And मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रही हूँ. I know I'll give her time to talk later. But हाँ, तो आज हम यहाँ क्या करने आए हैं? क्योंकि जब मुझे पता चला था सुष्मी के बारे में that she told me that she has PCOS and हमारा जो सब्जेक्ट है ना बायोटेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन इसमें इस डिजीज या डिसऑर्डर के बारे में डिसऑर्डर हाँ इसके बारे में बहुत बात होती है, ठीक है. लेकिन हमेशा ना एंडोक्राइनोलॉजी पे ज़्यादा फोकस होता है. लेकिन इसके सोशल इम्पैक्ट या साइकोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट के बारे में कुछ बातें ही नहीं होती है. सो आई डिसाइडेड कि आई want her to come and talk about it because from being like her friend I know how she suffers a little bit but I want to know in details because मेरे को स्टार्टिंग लगता था कि ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है like you know maybe when she tells me I feel like शायद उसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही इमोशनल बर्न आउट हो रहा है. but today we'll sorry today we will clarify a lot of myths that we hear about PCOS. So yeah, something like that.
आपने मारा. Okay.
So who are you, Sushmi?
My very
Philosophical
very
question.
philosophical.
Who are you?
What? A living matter like occupying space.
She's consciousness. No, just tell us अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा कि
Okay, so
Yeah.
my name is Sushmi Sen. I am from Calcutta. I have academically I have done my graduation in zoology. I wanted to work with animals, but here I am working
with big animals.
big animals.
We are animals.
So called the most intelligent of all. But okay, so then I completed my masters in genetics from University of Calcutta. But I wanted to do my research on reproductive science in humans, of course. So then I thought before going into PhD, अच्छा होगा if I like study the reproduction in humans थोड़ा और before diving straight into PhD. So then I found out University of Siena gives this course, so I joined here, and then I met this nice person.
ये मेरी तारीफ. तो अभी शायद ये वीडियो बहुत ही सारे लड़के देख रहे होंगे या नहीं भी देख रहे होंगे. लड़कियां दिख रही हैं जिनको नहीं पता है PCOS के बारे में बिकॉज फ्रैंकली एक लड़की थी जो मेरे पास आई थी like few months back and she was telling me कि like दी I have heard like about this PCOS but I am scared to search about it because I have met a lot of girls who have this PCOS and I get scared to ask because it feels like it's something life threatening. Okay, like it was like बहुत सारा misconception. There are a lot of misconceptions and people if they go to Google directly you'll get cancer diagnosis. Okay, and we don't want that. So can you explain to people in like simple manner what is PCOS, how it happens and the symptoms? Yeah.
What happens every month? You hear about ovulation. That is basically we have follicles. We are born with a fixed number of follicles, right? So each month one follicle develops, grows into this mature follicle and is ovulated or kind of ovary से निकल के fallopian tube में जाता है.
धक्का मार देते हैं उसको.
And there in the fallopian tube, agar someone wants to get pregnant and has sexual relations, then the sperm comes and fertilizes, and that is the another story. So what is happening in PCOS is basically ये जो follicle छोटू सा नन्ना सा रहता है, this thing is growing each month. So this follicle is not able to grow properly. It's not able to mature fully in like to that point where it can be expelled out of the follicle. Like the oocyte will be expelled out. So it gets stuck in बीच में basically.
It's just stuck.
So yeah, it's just stuck. The development is stunted or it's like stuck. So it is not developing anymore. It is not being released. And ऐसा करके every month, so you are missing your period. So if there is no ovulation, there is no the structure called corpus luteum, which is formed. A lot of science.
Yes, a lot of science. Okay, so basically,
Yeah. So basically, if you're not ovulating, you're not having a periods because the corpus luteum is not forming, which will produce some hormones which will make your uterine grow, and then when there is no pregnancy, this structure will be like reabsorbed, and you will have your monthly bleeding due to the lack of hormones. This is the simple thing. So if you do not have the proper ovulation, फिर पूरा sequence is not happening basically. So now what is happening is you're not having a periods.
and that thing, that follicle that is not going
And yeah,
out,
it is staying in your body. It is staying in this middle size. Okay.
and that is the cyst.
Yeah, and that is forming a cyst. So basically, one myth people think is there is cyst, there is something else is growing, like a tumor, like a polyp. But those are
That's why
very
cancer-
different things. Yes. So the thing is, it's not something else. It's not a fluid-filled sac. It is basically your underdeveloped oocyte that is getting stored in your ovary, and every month this is happening. So छोटा छोटा करके बहुत सारा हो जा रहा है. So it's like poly. It's like many basically. So you are having like many cysts on your ovary. That is what
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah. And
Multiple cysts which are actually your eggs.
okay, that was a very good explanation and a long explanation, but
Yes.
it's okay. Tell me symptoms, like, I know one diagnosis is that you don't get your periods, but what else is there?
Yeah, so there are three main diagnoses. That first is, I think, one is you're not getting your periods. It's oligomenorrhea or amenorrhea. Someone may have like even more than 3 months are also there. So second is you will have, if you do an USG, you will definitely have some more than I think 20 follicles ऐसा cysts करके, including like both of your ovaries, basically many follicles. And the third one is your androgen levels are high. That is kind of the male hormone level.
Testosterone.
That helps to gain your muscle. We'll come back if we are talking about workout. Then we'll come. Regarding the symptoms also, ये जो 3 मैंने बोले, these are like very medically diagnosable for PCOS. But ये भी छोड़ के, that is weight gain.
Yes.
Even weight loss PCOD is also a thing, by the way.
Yes,
Like
yes,
people
yes,
have PCOD.
yes, yes.
It's not always like मोटा है ठीक है
हाँ.
PCOD है or
It's
something like
common,
that.
but
Yeah.
thin people also have.
Thin people also have. There is weight gain is one of the major things. Also like hair fall, like बालों या सर का बाल गिर रहा है पर ऐसे मूछे आ जा रहा है, beard आ जा रहा है, and where you want your hair to grow, it will not grow. It will fall. And you don't
Male,
want your
it's
hair
like
to
male pattern, male
yeah, male pattern baldness. ऐसा मेरा भी
Yeah.
हुआ.
I think I might. I don't know.
Male pattern baldness is there, and I think that also has impact with your self-image. So basically, after puberty, I had like, I don't remember, in class 11 or 12, I don't remember actually. I did not have my periods for 3 months.
Okay.
So that was like, I was like, what is happening? Where like I have no like clue about it. It was mostly like confusing, and then like internet gives you all like missing periods. The first thing comes up. Like I think one of the most not difficult actually, maybe embarrassing, is how to tell someone. You tell your friend. They'll first thing they'll bring up is, okay, so have you done anything? I didn't do this.
This thing, yeah, I
It's
can
a thing.
understand.
So
Even you will think कि मैंने
Yeah.
कुछ कर दिया
And
क्या?
I'm like, I did not do anything. Like, what is happening here? So I think it's more like confusing. And then yes, I did tell my mom, and then of course we went to a doctor, and from there I got to know I have this condition called PCOD or polycystic ovarian disorder, or PCOS is a similar
Whatever you call it.
yeah, PCOD or PCOS. So yeah, like that I got to know, and I think it was mostly confusing. I did not know what it is at that point or how I should feel, because the doctor said that you are like, you have cysts in your ovary. That is why you're missing your periods, because you're not ovulating properly. You need to reduce your weight to fix it.
Okay. So, one thing that I want to point out is that I know many women, okay? I know many women in my life who have missed their periods for a long time, like
Yeah.
3 months, okay? But they don't go to doctor. They don't go to doctor because, I don't know, if they're afraid or they feel like, I think most people are afraid to get a diagnosis.
Yeah.
I don't want something bad to happen, but can you tell me what is the importance कि किसी डॉक्टर के पास if you go you get diagnosed, what is the importance, does it helps you in any way?
Yeah, of course. Like, I think the faster your diagnosis is, the faster you can get it under control. Because if you're delaying it, it's getting delayed, and it gets like, I think it gets more severe. It's like thing about cancer. Even I heard that the first time I went, and she's like, you have to lose your weight, or this has to be in control, because you will otherwise in future as a chalta raha, तो you will get ovarian cancer. And I am like 11, in class 11.
This is how doctors give you information.
Yeah, it's like if you don't do, you will get diabetes, you will have cardiac like problems, and yeah, these are very legit
They are there,
like
yes.
things that
Yeah,
it
we are
can
not
develop
denying.
into. We are not denying it at all, because there are complications. If you are not taking it under control in the future, there can, like, diabetes is a very common thing that happens after like, if it's going ekdam out of control or something like that. But अगर diabetes हुआ भी, it's, I think you can work to make it under control, right? You don't have to like let, ठीक है चल रहा है तो sugar चलने दो अपने. And regarding the medications, yeah, first I had this famous, every PCOD patients might know, metformin. So this is one medication which is actually given to control the insulin resistance. अच्छा, फिर से साइंस में थोड़ा डाइव इन करना पड़ेगा, little bit थोड़ा सा. That is, we have, why diabetes is linked with PCOD. Basically, that's the thing. So PCOD patients develop insulin resistance. That is, insulin works to decrease blood sugar. Okay. So अगर इंसुलिन ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा है, that you have lot of insulin in your body, but the cells which are responsible to like इंसुलिन के प्रेजेंस में, I will take up blood sugar, यहाँ पर ही गड़बड़ हो रहा है. So इंसुलिन के प्रेजेंस में भी these cells are not able to take up blood sugar. So there is, so now insulin is there in your like blood. It's like there is more insulin, and once there is more insulin, all these cells having receptors, they are like now getting desensitized.
मतलब वो अपना काम नहीं करे, वो इंसुलिन
Yeah,
को
it's-
रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करे कि नहीं मैं नहीं देखूंगा तुम
हाँ,
जो
हाँ,
कर रहा है
तुमको जो करना है करना,
Yeah.
आई विल नॉट सी. सो ऐसे करके कि अभी ब्लड शुगर भी ज्यादा है, तो फिर बॉडी इज पुशिंग इन मोर इंसुलिन. सो लाइक दिस, इट्स बेसिकली द सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ द इंसुलिन इज डिक्रीजिंग and the resistance is increasing. So metformin is one of the medications that is given to increase the sensitivity so that the resistance is decreasing. This is one of the very common drug, and also there is something that it helps with weight loss or weight management. And one more is given, that is the, some kind of contraceptives are given, like combined oral contraceptives with estrogen progesterone together, which helps to maintain your hormone cycle जो गड़बड़ हो गया है. So उसको ही maintain करने के लिए that is given, so that you have your timely periods regular. Periods? Wow, you have regular periods.
it's okay
So that you have regular periods.
Yeah, okay. So you mentioned these medications and the hormonal contraceptives that are given, but
Also vitamin D and inositols are also given for, these all aid with this
Yeah, they
whole
just-
disorder.
they
It's all like
support you.
managing the supporting and managing your symptoms. This is like, I think this is very important to note that mainly the PCOD medications help to regulate your hormones. Like they help to manage your symptoms till the whole problem your body is dealing with. It's giving it a, it's like helping it. ऐसे दोस्त आया मदद करने के लिए, बहुत काम का pressure is, it's lending your hand so that you're able to, your body is able to handle the whole disorder well.
हाँ, but इससे प्रॉब्लम खत्म नहीं हो जाती है, ठीक है. So you talked about these medications and you already said कि it is supporting. Okay, so Do you think that more than supporting, these medications are like putting you in some kind of situation ki, you are not able to live a normal life, or maybe is it like what are the side effects you face when you take such medications?
I think nausea, digestive issues, these are dizziness, very common problems faced with maximum medications, including PCOD.
Yes.
Also, if you are taking metformin for several years, this nausea and the digestive problem, the lack of appetite, these increases more.
Okay.
So there are like some other alternatives as well, like inositol treatment, vitamin D treatment. These are go together also, or sometimes
So does it decreases the quality of life in any way? Can you say that?
the medication.
Yeah, the medications.
I can't tell that directly because at one side it will be helping in if you're taking oral contraceptives. There is dizziness, there is nausea. Yes, in some. It's not like everyone will be having that. Whoever is having that, there will be these things, but at the same time, you will be having a regular period, a regular hormone balance. If you're not taking the medications, your hormone balance is disrupted. Then you have to put in that effort then and there to have that regularity in your hormone levels to try and get that. So I think
I think I think
quality of
medication.
life, I personally I do not like taking medications. So because I think metformin like affects me a lot, so I generally I do not like taking medications.
Okay, but medications are still, for support. But
Yeah,
there
it is
are
for
other
support.
options as well. Okay, which we'll talk about how you can manage this disorder. So this was the part one of the podcast or interview, whatever you call it, that we shot. And I don't know if you liked it or not. I don't even know if you watched it completely. But in the next part, we are going to talk about the psychological issues and how she managed her disorder. Being an international student and being abroad, how she managed everything, like fixing everything. So if you liked it, then maybe stay for the next part. That's it.